The French for the cello is le violoncelle. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the musical instruments in French. So let's go through a list. The French for the piano is le piano. The French for the drums is la batterie. The French for the recorder is la flûte. The French for the guitar is la guitare. The French for the violin is le violon. The French for the bass is la basse. The French for the harp is la harpe. The French for the maracas is les maracas. The French for the castagnettes is les castagnettes. The French for the trumpet is la trompette. The French for the trombone is le trombone. The French for the triangle is le triangle. The French for the saxophone is le saxophone. The French for the cello is le violoncelle. The French for the double bass is la contrebasse. The French for the harmonica is l'harmonica. The French for the xylophone is le xylophone. The French for the cymbals is les cymbales. The French for the oboe is le hautbois. The French for the organ is l'orgue. The French for the drum is le tambour. The French for the clarinet is la clarinette. The French for the banjo is le banjo. The French for the ukulele is le ukulele. The French for the tambourine is le tambourin. The French for the bagpipes is la cornemuse. And the French for the djembé is le djembé. We have seen in this list that the French for the recorder is la flûte. Note that the full word is la flûte à bec, but in the spoken language it is referred as la flûte. And if you were wondering what is the French for the flute, it is la flûte traversière. In this list we have also seen some words starting with the letter H. Some are preceded by an L apostrophe, others are not. For example, the word harmonica is preceded by the article L apostrophe and we say l'harmonica. But the word harpe is preceded by the article la and we say la harpe. So you probably wonder why sometimes we find an apostrophe in front of the letter H and sometimes we don't. The reason is that in French we have two types of H. We have the H we call silent. When the H is silent, you don't hear it at all. And in front of a silent H, we always put an apostrophe, like for the word harmonica. As you can hear, I said harmonica and not harmonica. The H is silent, and so I must use the article L apostrophe. This is why we say l'harmonica. We also have the H we call aspirated. When the H is aspirated, it is slightly pronounced. And in front of an aspirated H, I can't use the apostrophe like for the word harp. As you can hear, I said harp and not harp. The H is not silent and so I can't use the L apostrophe. This is why we say la harpe and not l'harpe. That's all for the musical instruments. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Merci et à bientôt!